The Kapuso stage is set for another season of The Voice Kids Philippines this September. Pero bago kumilatis ng young aspiring talents, nagkuwento muna ang coaches sa GMA Integrated News interviews tungkol sa kanilang on and off screen na samahan at mga paghahanda as mentors. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Coach Julie!
Nagbabalik as coaches sa The Voice Kids Philippines sina Julian San Jose.
I can't ask Coach. Guess who's back?
At Billy Crawford. And this time, makakasama nila ang balladeer, singer-songwriter na si Sak Tabudlo. At sina Paulo and Miguel Guico ng Filipino indie folk pop band na Ben and Ben. Sa pag-upo ng 5 coaches sa GMA Integrated News interviews, sari-saring emosyon ang naipadama nila sa aming kwentuhan mula sa over-the-top kulitan nila bilang coaches on and off screen.
What's a usual taping day for you guys, like na magkakasama kayo? But I would like to know what's happening sa likod ng camera.
Would you really want to know?
Kasi sobrang honest nito
Di mo sure. One thing is, ginaw kami sa studio.
Lamig
sa
studio.
Lagi kami nakakumot. But kidding aside, ako personally, I really have a great time with these people. Like, I know to myself that these are my kind of people. Bakit ka tumatawa?
Ginawa mo kami parang alien These kind of people.
No, because syempre, it takes, so much energy and honesty. Especially, sobrang laking bagay niya kapag nasa workplace ka.
At dahil they are shaping the lives of new talents, kailangan din ang seryosohan sa kanilang trabaho.
These kids are very smart and they have one goal, and one goal is to win. The most important part about the competition is not winning. It's just securing your place and to being remembered for the rest of your life. You just have to perform like it's your last.
Naghahanda na rin sila sa lungkot na sigurado raw na mararamdaman nila as they journey into the competition.
Ano yung mga inaasahan yung heartbreaks dito? Yung parang mga bagets ito mga bata
Nako, yun nga po, non-stop sila sa sabi na, guys, prepare for the heartbreak. At the end of the day, we know it's a competition. And we know that not everyone can get in.
Sobrang grabe rin kasi ako ma-attach. So, hindi rin ako naglo-look forward to the process. But, I think yung bottom line din for us, of course, given na it's a competition, is magawa lang namin yung task of really bringing out the best in these kids and making sure na they know na we believe in them. I think masabi namin na we did our job.
At hindi rin maiiwasan ng kaunting nostalgia. Lalo pat baon daw ng coaches ang mga pinagdaanan nila as young performers na puno hindi lang ng tagumpay, kasama na rin ng criticism and failure along the way na maaari nilang ibahagi sa mga bata ng The Voice Kids.
I know this is going to be a full circle moment for you dahil naging contestant ka rin and of course sumali ka sa The Voice Kids dati, 2014. So how does it feel now na judge ka na or coach ka na?
I feel like I still feel the jitters po and just butterflies every time nakakita po ko ng logo ng The Voice around the area. I was just like auditioning po. It was my grandmother pa who pushed me. Like those kids that we saw perform and everything, that was me po. So it's like, I feel like when I was in that body and I was in that moment po, hindi ko naman iisipin na makakarating ako dito. So it just feels crazy and weird to be here. At the same time, I'm really blessed po.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.